Hello to everyone. As part of 10x activity, we are going to discuss about the triple R. They were virtual reality, augmented reality and mixed reality. So, all these three realities were compressive under immersive technologies. And to define what immersive technologies is, it is an extended version of reality. Now let's see virtual reality. In virtual reality, we'll go a bit deeper in understanding so that mixed reality and augmented reality can be understood a bit easier. Now, in virtual reality, the person actually enters into a world and experiences the things in computer generated way. So, to experience the virtual reality, we need few essential components. In that, the first one is virtual reality headset, that is VR headset. So, which is worn to our eyes, and in each eye there will be a very high resolution display, and it may also have the inbuilt sensors to track our head movements. Now you might have a thing like, what's the purpose of tracking your head movement? So as in our real world, how we are looking at our surroundings, as the same we need to look at of our virtual world. So there is a purpose of tracking our head movements. So this is all for the virtual reality. And now for taking an example, we all are familiar with the battleground, right? So where we play it on our mobiles with the help of our fingers. But by using virtual reality, actually we can enter into the game and can play more realistically by looking at our enemies, by spotting a gun and everything. So it is just like as the realistic ones. So this is all for the virtual reality. Now coming to augmented reality. So augmented reality is, here we use the virtual reality over the real world. So just like to make it understand, we all are familiar with few applications like IKEA and Lenskart, right? So in Lenskart, if we choose some frames of spectacles, we have to know if it look good on us or not, right? So what we do is, we use the cam of AR version in Lenskart, and actually we can see ourselves with that frames and can experience if it is good or not with us. So this is for AR. So here we are using augmented reality. And the next application is IKEA. For suppose if we want to buy a home decor from IKEA, so what we have to do, we don't know if it looks good in our home or not. Actually it's looking good there, but we don't know how it looks good on in our home, right? So by using the AR version cam, we can actually look at that home decor in our home and can experience if it is looking good or not. So this is augmented reality. I hope this augmented reality is understood by you. And the next one is mixed reality. Mixed reality can be simply said as the combination of virtual reality and augmented reality. It's like blending of virtual reality and augmented reality. So in mixed reality, there were few applications like healthcare, education, entertainment and etc. So coming to education, actually we need not to go to the college, school and can experience all the things by sitting at our home. So this is of the mixed reality. So I hope everyone is understood or the introduction of these three pillars. They were virtual, augmented and mixed realities. Thank you.